Hello hookers, welcome back. I've got another video here for you. This one I wanted to show off some my little fluffy hair donuts. There's a stack here, and I thought I'd show them off while I have some more made. Here's another nice little stack. Color possibilities are endless if you want to make like a pack up for someone or for your own child or yourself. I have done different themed packs. These are just some of them, and these will be given out in my Random Act of Crochet Kindness actually. I thought I'd share though, to get them this size I did use the kid size goodie elastics. I think I have a pack right here, 1 second. Where did they go? There they are. So they're this size here, guys. They're a pack of 36. I actually just ordered a bulk amount off Amazon. They're not Goodie brand, but they're the same size. I'm gonna check them out. I'll do a video on them as well when I get them. But see, they're just cute little elastics. They're perfect to make these, and it is a tutorial on my channel as well. It's a real quick one if you want to make some. They don't take long, and to get the fluffiness I just used the fluffy baby blanket yarn. It's nice. I've actually seen these around when I was a kid, and then I haven't seen them since, so I decided I was going to try and make them when I saw the fluffy yarn, and they really turned out nice. Anyway, yeah, see, I have this color combo here. Really, it's truly a very flexible item. Obviously, you can make them any color, but if you're making a themed pack up for someone or yourself, see, this is all just like gray, black, and white. It's a nice theme, color scheme. Yeah, scheme, there we go, to go with. But yeah, they do not take long at all to make. They're really nice. I made all of those within a day. I just sat and whipped them up. So if you want to check out the tutorial, go onto my channel, and it's in the Wear It section, I believe. And so much more is on there too, if you want to check it out. So yeah, those are my little fluffy hair donuts. That's what I call them anyway. So go check it out and make yourself some, or someone else that you would think would like them. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Bye.